Hey everyone, Brett here with American Bully, coming to you with another Waterjet Wednesday video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a custom fire pit for a customer. This is actually a product that we've had for a little bit now, and now that we've made this custom version, we're actually going to be offering this as an XL size. So let me show you the file and we'll get right into the video.
Don't you hate when you break for lunch and you burn your wiener? Not anymore. With our patented Bully Skewer. With our one-piece stainless steel design, it's the perfect solution for not burning your hand on your wiener. And made great for any cookout or event that you have. And if you act now, using the promotion code BULLY, with the purchase of our fire pits, we'll throw 2 of these bad boys in for free, plus an additional $5. It's the best gift you can have.